Ladies and gentlemen, kicking you are welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today market is down about 1.1%. There on the S&P Nasdaq 1.8%, semiconductor 2, Dow 0.6, Russell 2000, transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market, every single sectors are red today. Bitcoin down, gold, silver, miners are slightly up, dollar up, oil up, treasury bond, and VIX up. Let's stay with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65 minutes are here. So this is where we closed yesterday. It looks like yet another down gap this morning here, as you can see, and this is a second day in a row we're witnessing a down gap at opening here. This is what happened 2 days ago here. You see that down gap, and then yesterday we see that down gap, and today yet another down gap.
You don't really think that you were going to get through this without being punished now, did you?
Bulls trying to get up here and trying to fill that down gap, but about 25% or so. The down gap still remaining. So Bulls been working really hard to just kind of clean up this down gap scenarios, but bears are very, very adamant about continuing to fire with these gaps here that usually has been getting filled, but looks like today with the down gap open here, not able to completely fill it. You can see quickly that down move continued here on the second hour though. We did lose that micro-term moving average here. So you can see several days ago when the micro-term was lost, that micro-term moving average continued to act as resistance for at least a couple of days. And that's kind of what's been happening all throughout the day. That's the third hour, that's fourth hour, that's fourth hour, that's sixth hour. Every single hour after we lost that micro-term moving average. We're getting very close to the rising uptrend support here though. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So as I zoom out here, as you can see, that uptrend support comes from all the way down here, January 19th here. So as you can see, that's the level the buyer's been utilizing to prop itself up every time we see that fall back, and that's what happened yesterday, and we're right on it today. So you can see this prominent uptrend support is the level where bulls want to find some momentum and regather the momentum, possibly push higher. If we do lose rising uptrend support here, I don't think it's a huge deal, because as you can see, my short-term moving, that green dotted moving average is guarding that level just underneath at a 408. So you can see that short-term moving average does carry an impressive resume. It seems like almost every single time when we get to that level has been providing that support. And not to mention, we still have that horizontal support here, that 407, 408 level. We've been talking about and following and tracking this level in the last couple of weeks. That swing high here acted as support last couple of days, and that's 407, 408 or so. Perfect. So you can see, even if we lose that rising uptrend support, bulls still have a lot of firepower, a lot of support levels to battle against the bears. Check out that oscillator. We initially crossed up just yesterday, right? You can see right there, and today we just slightly crossed up here. It's not fully confirmed. I would have to say that's kind of pretty neutral. Maybe, you can see we've seen something like this right there. You can see that it looked as though it was crossing down too. So I don't consider this a full cross yet. So if bears want to see that oscillator fully supporting the sellers, you do want to see that full cross like we've seen a couple days ago. So this right here, I'll call it a neutral. So I think the oscillators is kind of waiting on what's going to happen and going into tomorrow's, because we have that rising uptrend support, short-term moving averages all in that vicinity. So if bulls want to reclaim that control, they do need to reclaim that micro-term moving average and get up and fill this gap. And it's been difficult kind of days here with all these down gaps that bulls been really busy to fill it. And yet with another down gap that's still open, and now we're below the micro term unless we see very quick pop or even a gap up above that micro-term moving average and to thrust to fill this down gap. If we don't see anything like that in the first 2 hours tomorrow morning, I could see bears trying to bring it down at least to retest at 408 and even 407. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy evening glow trading tomorrow.
But you killed my people, a whole damn lot of them, more than I'm comfortable with. And for that you're gonna pay. So now